Meaning of heartland.
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 Heartland. Heartland refers to the central or most important part of a country or region. It is often used to describe an area that is rich in natural resources, has a high population density, and is the center of economic and political activity. This term is frequently used to describe regions where agriculture is a dominant industry, and it is often associated with a sense of national identity and cultural values. The concept of the heartland has been extensively studied by geographers, political scientists, and historians, and it continues to play an important role in shaping our understanding of national and regional identity.